Namaskar. In previous lessons, we have completed all the hastats. Now in this lesson, we will learn about different types of Pada Bhangima. Choker. Stamp your toe to the floor. Now summer the V posture of the feet. Next one is ANGAD. Touch your right toe to the floor. Hanumat. Raise your right leg behind the left leg. Now KRISHNA. Cross right leg behind the left leg or vice versa. Now urdhva. Balance your body onto your toe. Now adhar. Just stump your right leg and raise it. Now ardhaaghat. Stump the side of your foot. Now uchhanga. Just brush it out from toe to the heel. Now TANDAVA. Left leg behind the right leg. Cross this. Lasya. The feminine posture. Use the ANGAD step. LALITA. Cross your leg. Now udaan. Keep your balance to a side and do it like that. If you have any query or doubts in this section, please leave a comment in the comment box below and also share this video amongst your group as knowledge increases by sharing.